أنا بحب is how we say I like or I love in Levantine Arabic. We do have a verb that literally means to like, and we have different verbs and expressions for different degrees of love. But baḥib is by far the most common way to say I like or I love in everyday conversation. So when we use it to express preferences about things such as food, music, activities, it usually means I like. And when we use it to express stronger feelings about people, places, or passions, it means I love. We will see example sentences in this video for context. But let's start with the conjugation. In أنا بحب, the verb بحب starts with the letter ba or B. Starting the verb with the letter ba indicates and marks present tense in Levantine dialect. On the ba, there is a short vowel, which is the a, and this can change with the different pronouns when we conjugate the verb. After the ba, we are here left with the letters that make up the root of this verb. To conjugate the verb with the other pronouns, we will be adding prefixes. And prefixes are letters that come before the root letters of the verb, here. And based on the pronoun that we're conjugating with, we will be adding prefixes and or suffixes, which come at the end of the verb. So suffixes come here. So now let's listen to the conjugation of the verb. The good news is that the same pattern is used for most verbs. So once you learn these endings and prefixes by heart, you can use them to conjugate most of the other verbs.
I love.
أنا بحب.
You, masculine singular, love.
أنت بتحب.
You, feminine singular, love.
أنتِ بتحبي.
You, plural, love.
أنتوا بتحبوا.
He loves.
هو بيحب.
She loves.
هي بتحب.
They love.
هم بيحبوا.
We love.
إحنا بنحب or منحب. One last note about the conjugation, and it's maybe something that you have noticed. If we look at the root letters of this verb, we see that they are two. We don't count the vowels in the root of the words if you're looking at the transliteration. Words in Arabic are mostly made up from 3 letters root, and this is true also for this verb. The last letter of this verb, the ba, is actually doubled. We have it twice, but we don't hear it doubled or stressed unless there are letters following it. So for example, when we conjugate with humme, they, we add the suffix u at the end after the ba. And since now there is the suffix following the last letter ba, we will hear the letter doubled or stressed. This sign on top of the letter is called shadda, and it indicates that the letter is stressed or doubled. I will give you examples on similar verbs at the end of the video. Now we will listen to the example sentences on the verb بحب.
I love Jordan.
أنا بحب الأردن.
Do you like coffee?
أنت بتحب القهوة؟
Which language do you like?
أي لغة أنتِ بتحبي؟
Do you like music?
أنتوا بتحبوا الموسيقى؟
He doesn't like fast food.
هو ما بيحب الأكل الجاهز.
She likes traveling a lot.
هي بتحب السفر كثير.
They like this book.
هم بيحبوا هاد الكتاب.
We love the Arabic language.
إحنا بنحب اللغة العربية. We can notice from the sentences that negation in present tense is with ma. We add the particle ma before the verb. So to say I don't like or I don't love, we say ما بحب. We also notice that we are using the subject pronouns like أنا, أنت, أنتي, but we actually don't have to use them because we can guess the subject from the conjugation of the verb and the context. Finally, for the yes or no questions, we don't use a question word in spoken Arabic. We understand that this is a question from the intonation and the context. So we use the same structure for the sentence, but we pronounce it as a question. To check your learning, can you understand or answer these questions? انتوا بتحبوا القهوة؟ بتحبوا السفر أو الموسيقى؟ أي لغة بتحبوا؟ Now learn these 10 verbs and use them to practice present tense. I count. أنا بعد. I respond. أنا برد. I put. أنا بحط. I ring. أنا برن. I gather or I collect. أنا بلم. I turn. أنا بلف. I feel. أنا بحس. I jump. أنا بنط. I stay or I keep. أنا بضل or بظل. I pull or I tighten. أنا بشد. Thank you so much for watching, liking, and commenting. Please subscribe for more videos.